So today in Paris at Concurrences, we're going to be discussing again some cutting-edge issues of competition law. As always, Concurrences is giving some direction to the new topics to be discussed after this event. And basically, my take on it is that, especially after Siemens Alstom, what is going to be the primary goal of competition law is one discussion. This is obviously a very deep philosophical discussion for competition lawyers, in the sense that there is a staple answer to this question, which is that it is welfare maximization. There are debates as to whether this should be consumer welfare maximization or social welfare maximization, but now more and more people are discussing as to whether new horizons should be brought to the objective perspective of the competition law enforcement, and how we can have competition law serve welfare and, in broader terms, happiness of people in a more effective way. So that's one very interesting topic that is being discussed. Another one, obviously, and in the same vein, is how can we ensure that there is effective and high-quality judicial review of decisions. Needless to say, some great legal minds are looking into the decisions of competition authorities, and especially the Commission. But is it sufficient? What can be done? We are going to be hearing from practitioners and judges, and in that vein, we're going to be comparing some of the other disciplines of law and some localities' practices with what is happening with the most critical cases in terms of judicial review. Then, of course, you cannot have a competition law discussion without a discussion on the intersection, the interface between the personal data realm and competition law. So how much of the personal data matter should competition law be regulating? What is the link between market power and data collection? How should access be regulated is going to be yet another very interesting topic of discussion. All in all, I would say that Concurrences for very many years has been providing food for thought for academicians and practitioners alike. And this year, it seems it has taken on some very fundamental questions of competition law. And in the discussions, obviously, we will be hearing from very sophisticated speakers about their take on where we're heading.